So let's start by going up to NC and selecting 3-axis and then down to MultiCut. I'll go ahead and we'll select our surfaces here, and then we'll say that we're done. For a tool, let's go ahead and choose a ball cutter, and let's make it a 1/2-inch ball, and then we'll say that it's okay. We're going to skip our feeds and speeds for now and go up to cut control. Under rapid area, you'll see that there are 3 different kinds: cylinder, sphere, and then plane. And we'll go ahead and leave our height at 2.9 for now and say OK. Cutting method, this is one of the keys. There are 6 different types or styles, and we're going to choose morph between 2 curves. We're going to leave void cuts of the 4 different types and leave it at zigzag. We'll see our run is at auto, and vector control is locked for 3-axis MultiCut. We'll go over to our leads and links. There are a number of different possibilities and 4 different styles of gouge protection. So we say OK. We're going to pick our 2 curves now with our morph between 2 curves. So there's our first one and our second. And then SURFCAM will develop our tool path. Well, that looks nice. Well, let's go ahead and let's zoom into the end here and see what we have. Well, here it looks like it's going up to a rapid clearance, so let's see if we can change that. Let's choose another option. We'll regen with original here. And then we're going to go up to our leads and links tab. And for the links between slices here, we're going to change that. Let's tell SURFCAM that we want it to blend between those slices. So we'll select blend on both the large and the small and say OK. And let's see what that looks like. Oh, there we go. So let's fit that and see we have a nice, smooth, flowing tool path. But what happens if we want to extend it beyond the surface? Well, let's do a regen, and this time let's go under cut control, and right here where it says extend and trim, well, let's select that, and you can choose either % or a value. Let's have it extend by, say, 1/2 inch on both the start and the end. And we'll put 1/2 inch here, and then we'll say OK. We'll select OK, and let's see what that looks like. Ah, there we go. That looks nice. If you ever wanted to extend beyond a surface, this works great. Nice, smooth, flowing. Well, let's do that again, but perhaps with a different twist on this back surface here. So let's NC 3-axis and go to MultiCut. And let's select our surface or surfaces, it doesn't matter. Say we're done. Keep the cut control the same, but this time, let's go over to leads and links. Let's adjust to approach from rapid clearance, which kicks in our lead in and lead out. Let's see what that looks like. So we'll select our 2 curves once again for our morph between 2 curves. Zoom in here and grab that upper curve. And then we'll let SURFCAM develop that tool path. So here you go. We're leading in and leading out. Nice smooth paths, looping between.